Hey, Wavy Davy, man. Microwave Davy, man. Hey, y'all know me, man. I like to make that fly shit, you know what I'm saying? Get money, get cleaned in the motherfucking music, you feel me? That's type shit I be on, you know what I'm saying? Like for real, though. Niggas be back and I rock it, I rock it. I live my life, I live my motherfucking life. Bad bitches, nigga. Expensive jeans, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Scrap in it. Good weed, too. By the way, nigga. This that pack shit, get a sack shit. Fly to town just to fuck me a bad bitch. Hell no, I can't live average. That shit you talking, I passed it. I get me a bag and I mash it. That bitch you fucking just trash it. I mean trash her. With a real ass let you and last her. I passed that ass up last year. You still here? Drinking beer, looking like a queer. I'm shining bright like a chandelier. Don't come near, get out of here. You in the rear, I'm in the front. I'm in the lead, and it's a guarantee you ain't passing me. Keep my own fuel, no gas me or blast me. I keep a Glock with me, that's Lil G, and I'm a big G. I'm a dog, you know my pedigree. I don't love your bitch, she give head to me. Say Wavy Davy, her favorite nigga. Wardrobe so clean, I be tailored, nigga. Might just catch me in some gators, nigga. That's probably why they hate a nigga. But their favorite bitch wanna date a nigga. Yeah, man. I know how them niggas mad, man. I be mad too, man. Little black ass nigga riding around looking good like this, man. Getting this money, you feel me? Damn fly. And your bitch giving me that eye, you know what I'm saying? You see, nigga. Nigga be wanna kill a nigga or that type of shit. You gon' kill him? Getting money, hand a nigga a G nigga too though. Don't get it twisted. Wavy nigga, you feel me? I'ma show you niggas how to dress up to par, you know what I'm saying, man? Scrap business. That's why they mad, I already know. If you hating on me, you waiting on me. And nigga, I ain't waiting on nobody. Nigga, I ain't hating on nobody. I really be keeping it solid. But I know I'ma catch me a body. Cause I know a dirty nigga gon' try me. Probably cause the main hoe like me. Got a weird nigga out here tryna fight me. But a pussy nigga know he better not strike me. Leave here tonight is unlikely. Pretty black bitch, she a Pisces. I fucked up for one night, B. That really be my life, see. The next day, I got a Virgo. Fucked up for 2 days, though. Switched up and got another hoe. Same time, getting the bankroll. I spend the bankroll on my fly clothes. Sitting in the trap like a cap. Nigga, I ain't doing no capping. All I do is trap rapping. All y'all do is cap rapping. Nigga better tap in. Kicking ass like Jack Chin. Ooh, yeah, nigga. Microwave day, nigga. Man, come on, man. This just for fun here, though. You know what I'm saying? I get in this bitch when I'm feeling good. You know what I'm saying? We wanna ride this to a real nigga. So I jump in the studio and make me some shit. You know what I'm saying? When I wanna hear a nigga, a fly nigga, get money, nigga. You know what I'm saying? First nigga I think about is my motherfucking self. That ain't no lie, dog. You feel me? I'm my own motherfucking superstar. Wavy Davy, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my own wave, nigga. Surfboard full of motherfucking money. Cash flow. Let it go. To the flow. I smoke a lot of drugs and they know. You can smell it all up in my clothes. Shop all night, got big bankroll, nigga. 24/7 get dough, nigga. Fuck it up in the mall on clothes, nigga. Or might do me a couple shows, nigga. Keep all that weight and shit.